Greetings from the road. It's Saturday, midday. There's a big winter storm coming in. What you see here is this 55 gasser that I picked up in Missouri. The gentleman on the trailer sold this in 2004. He's getting it back. This car was originally modified back in the 60s. It has a much storied history. So he didn't think ahead to find out the starting procedures. Since he had the car last in 2004, so it's been modifications. He can't get it to start. We can't get a hold of the seller. He doesn't have a winch, so I've rigged this idea up where we have Nate here with his pickup truck, a tow rope alongside the trailer, and then we're going to carefully use it to pull it up. So theoretically this should go well. He's directing his buddy. So this is something you guys can do if you don't have a winch in the trailer to get a roller on. And I think it's going to go okay. And then these guys are going to make a trip back to Massachusetts before the storm hits them on Monday. Loading a Chevy on a trailer at a Ford museum. So it looks like my idea worked. This is Nate, he works at the museum. This is a great museum. This is my favorite museum. I say that over and over again. That's Nate's son, he came down to help out. So we got it on the trailer. He's gonna pull it forward. We got it on there. I'm gonna do an interview with the owner if he'll allow me. And then these guys can get on their way. Everybody be safe out there.